Hey everyone, it's Lisa from Planner. Welcome back to my channel for another video, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Either way, thanks for clicking and watching and spending a little time with me today. For today's video, I'm going to be memory planning the week of May 17th in my Recollections Planner. This is a kit by Strawberry Creek Studio. Unfortunately, her shop is no longer open, but I used to PR for her, so I do have some kits, and I think this one's really pretty. So I already pre-planned my week. If you want to check out how I pre-plan, I will have that video linked down below, or it'll pop up in the cards so you can check out how I got to this point. And once I pre-plan my week, then I go back in day by day with the leftovers from the kit and some of my stickers in my collection just to fill in the blank spots and memory plan and memory keep with the things that happened and the things that I did. So let's go ahead and get started with Monday. First, I'm going to take an appointment label from the kit and then a fun, it's like a note-sized small kind of box from a sampler from the Giving Girl. And that box is going to be layered with a piece of deco from Simply Watercolor Co. and a Dash the Sun Designs hand-drawn bow doodle with the injection or immunization needle thing. And Dash the Sun Designs is a shop I PR for. Make sure you check the description for my codes. And that's just to mark that we went and got a copy of my son's vaccine records on Monday because I'm registering him for the 7th grade. And I don't know why they need the copies because they already have a current copy of his vaccine records from when I registered him for the 6th grade. Nothing has changed, but anyway, they still requested copies. So we went over to his pediatrician so that I could get a copy. And the appointment label is just to mark that I went on a grocery run for my mom. So I'm using a Walmart shopping bag from Style Planner with a honey inked leaf deco underneath it. Then I'm going to take this Celestial $2 Tuesday circular crescent moon with the pretty florals. The moon's actually made out of florals from Sticker Guru, which is another shop PR for. And I'm going to use a Letters to Apollo $2 Tuesday from the star cluster and a laptop icon from the kit just to mark that I did some job applications on Monday. And for my gratitude for Monday, I wrote Productive Day since I got a lot done when we were out and about. On Tuesday, I'm going to take also I forgot, I used a Sadie Stickers squiggly divider as well at the top of the day. And then on Tuesday, I'm going to take a page flag from the kit and then a store bow icon from the Graceful Planner and then a Whole Foods script from Wild Summer Designs. I didn't go to Whole Foods, but I went to Smith's, and I like her store sampler scripts because a lot of them, they all come in handy except for Costco because I prefer Sam's Club, and Whole Foods, which I rarely go to. And there's no Kroger or anything on there, so I just used Whole Foods. We actually went to Smith's and did more grocery shopping, but it was for us this time. Mondays was for my mom, and then Tuesdays was for us. Then I'm going to take another honey inked leaf deco with the Sadie stickers, one of these hexagon boxes from one of her add-on sheets for kits, and then a Crafts by Thaowie meal prep icon, because after we went grocery shopping, I meal prepped a bunch of food for the week. And then I'm going to also take some Simply Watercolor Co. deco again from Foiled Tuesday. She just had a Celestial release a long time ago, and for all the kind of areas that are kind of a little awkward white space, I'm just putting in little stars and moons and things. And then I'm going to take a box from the kit and I'm going to layer that with a Sadie Stickers floral and a Strawberry Creek $sign icon just to mark that. I needed to register my car and I had to print the ERDS form out so that I could complete the registration for my new car, and I finally did. And the $sign seemed appropriate because it's, quite expensive registering a brand new car. So luckily I did transfer my plates from my registration for the car that I sold. So there was a little bit of credit there, but it was still really expensive. On Tuesday's gratitude, that's what my sidebar tracker is for, by the way. I don't have the gratitude script or grateful for script, but that's my gratitude tracker. I wrote forgiveness just because I feel like, I don't know, on that day I felt like it was kind of, I was grateful to remember that forgiveness is not necessarily for the person that you're forgiving, but it's important that it's for you to heal and move on, On to Wednesday, I'm going to take a half box and then a Once More with Love Pencil Pals icon with a Giving Girl bow paperclip to mark that I completed my son's registration for the 7th grade. I was going to do it on Tuesday, but the lady at the office for the registration was only there Monday, Wednesday, Friday. So Monday it was too late because she left at 1, and by the time we got the vaccine records, it was like way past 1. So we went on Wednesday. Then I'm going to take another star cluster from Letters to Apollo and an RX pill bottle from Strawberry Creek and a RX refill script from Sticker Guru, since we had to stop by the pharmacy and get a refill for some of our medications. And then on Wednesday we were cleaning out our garage a little bit, and I stepped on some glass because we didn't know that there was some broken glass in there until we moved around some things, and I stepped on it, unfortunately, but thankfully it wasn't too bad of an injury. It was just a little bit of blood, didn't hurt too bad. I just needed to, once I pulled my sock off, the glass came out with the sock, thankfully, so it wasn't like stuck on my foot or anything. But yeah, so the box is to mark that I stepped on some glass, so I used a Bubble Mon Sticker Co. head or like feel emoji. What does she call these? I don't know, character, where they look a little kind of stressed out because, you know, stepping on glass, kind of painful. And I also used a Sticker Guru divider below that, since really nothing could kind of fit in there. It's one of their knot, it's like a rope knot divider because it was part of their like nautical beachy waves kind of $2 Tuesday. But I think that it doesn't necessarily have to be a beachy themed divider. It just kind of looks like, you know, a squiggly knot kind of thing. So it's cute. So I got in a bunch of foils. So I used that, and then I'm also going to use a Sadie Stickers divider to go below the paint nails because I felt like it was kind of missing a little something right there. For my gratitude on Wednesday, I wrote used booster seat because that was one of the things that we set out on the car when we were cleaning the garage was my son's old booster seat, and it was taken right away, which I'm very grateful for because somebody obviously found it useful. So I'm glad that somebody could, you know, clean it up for their kid and get a booster seat. Anyways, on to Thursday, I'm going to grab a budget hashtag like a boss script from, she changed her name. It's like Caffeine Paper Co. or something. Yeah, I was close. So it was previously Banana Doodle's shop, and now it's Caffeine and Paper Co. And I layered that with a Simply Watercolor Co. piece of deco, and then a hand-drawn bow doodle by Dash's Sun with the money icon because I was just updating my budget. Then I grabbed a half box from the kit and then another divider from Sticker Guru, and I used the cut mandala from Letters to Apollo, the other half from the May monthly section up there. And then I have this cute little shrimp. It's a tempura shrimp, so it's not quite accurate, but I didn't have any other kind of shrimp, and that was just to mark my free Baja shrimp bowl at Red Lobster. The adorable shrimp hand-drawn doodle is by Doodles by Anne's, which I got from the Hazel Sticker collab anniversary thing. And it's so cute. And so, yeah, it was a free Baja shrimp bowl that I got from a reward from last month, and it was expiring on the 20th, so we needed to go to Red Lobster on Thursday to get my free shrimp bowl, and it was really good. So for my gratitude on Thursday, I wrote free shrimp bowl. On Friday, I used a couple floral decos from Sadie Stickers and then a taxes icon from my planning addictions because our tax refund posted. So yay, we almost were afraid we weren't going to get one, but then thanks to Biden, we were able to, and it's great. So it's definitely later than we usually get it, but there was, you know, we were waiting for them to like sign something with the whole like unemployment reporting for taxes and stuff. Anyways, then I took a box from the kit and then a tiny dainty star divider from Sadie Stickers, and over the box I'm putting a floral deco from Honey Inked and a bow icon from the kit just to mark that we needed to recharge our Ring doorbell, and I hate my handwriting, so I did end up trying to rewrite the word "the" because it looks really ugly, and it still looks ugly after I rewrote it, but oh well, there's not really much I can do. So that was just to mark recharging the doorbell. Then I'm going to take a fun size box from the Sadie Stickers add-on thing. I like the colors of the blue from the flowers and stuff. It really matches with this kit very well. And I'm going to layer that with another star cluster from Letters to Apollo and an umbrella bow doodle icon from the Graceful Planner because we got a lot of rain on Friday. It hardly ever rains here in the desert, but it was raining like almost all day on Friday, so kind of out of the blue. Usually most of our rain is in April, but we didn't get a lot of rain in April this year, but we're getting a few rain showers here in May. And then I just layered another Sadie Stickers divider underneath it. And for my gratitude, I wrote that I closed my rings. I was kind of worried if I was going to be able to close them because I didn't know if I could go for my daily walk outside, being like it was raining all day, but there was a little lull in the rain showers and I was able to go on my walk and close my rings. Then on to Saturday, I'm going to layer this pretty moon deco from Sticker Guru, and then I have a sampler from, I think it's VD Cute Designs with the cloud. I thought was so cute and matched the colors in the kit perfectly. And I'm going to layer that with a couple of little hearts from a Cozy Paper Co. icon sampler. Just to mark that, we went to Eggworks. We haven't been there in a really long time, but we did have a gift card, and my in-laws wanted to go out to breakfast with us. And so we went to Eggworks, which is really yummy. I love their seasoned potatoes. They're, is it called like Obla Diablo? Yeah, their Obla Diablo seasoning is really good. Then I'm going to take a striped page flag from Rose Colored Days from the old Nikki sampler and a Sadie Stickers piece of floral deco above the to-do header. And then I have these switch hand-drawn hand-drawn icons from Watercolor Designs. I'm just going to cut off the Joy-Cons. I could probably use the whole thing, but it's kind of large and I don't really need the whole thing. I really just need the Joy-Cons because my son's Joy-Cons are drifting, and it is a normal problem. If you didn't know already, you can actually submit a ticket with Nintendo and they will fix them for free because it's such a common problem. So I cut the Joy-Cons off the Switch and then just wrote in that on Saturday I went to UPS to drop off the Joy-Cons and, you know, like my ticket number and everything in the box, and then they will send it to headquarters where they will fix his Joy-Cons and send them back to us. So get your shit fixed if it don't work. Then I filled in my checklist. We went to Scales and Tails again for the bugs for my son's lizard. And for our movie night in the half box there, I wrote Monster Zone. It was kind of a cheesy kids movie, but, you know, it was all right. And for my Saturday gratitude, I wrote weight loss because I did lose a couple of pounds. So I am grateful for that. On the right track. Got to keep going. And on to Sunday, I'm going to use a pretty bowstring box from the Giving Girl from a sampler. It's got this cute checkered look to it, but it's got the perfect colorway. And then a Nikki squiggle from that old Nikki freebie from Rose Colored Days. Behind it, I'm going to put a little starburst deco from Sticker Guru. And then I'm marking working out. So I have these really cute Juniper working out stickers from Simply Gilded. She's quite large though, so I did chop off her torso and her bottom half there so I could layer it with the squiggle nicely. And then I just wrote workout. I do work out 7 days a week, so I just wanted to note that Sunday wasn't the only day that I worked out. It just happened to be that nothing else really exciting happened. So I wrote workout. We did go to that magic show with the books, right? With the book icon right there, and it was a really great magic show. So for my gratitude on Sunday, I wrote magic show. And that is going to be everything for this memory plan with me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up because it helps out my channel and this video. And I truly appreciate your support. It means so much. I'm so grateful for it. Make sure you're subscribed if you're not already so you don't miss more of my videos. I do upload content regularly, so subscribe so you don't miss it. And leave me a comment if you have a question about anything or if you just want to say hi, and I'll say hi back. I love chatting with y'all. I hope that you're well. Remember that you're loved, you're worthy, and you're enough just the way that you are. Don't let anyone ever try to tell you otherwise. I hope that y'all take care, stay safe, have an amazing rest of your day, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye!